Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will share you how to create 3D pop-up effect suitcase edition. First, I will add an open suitcase element. Okay, and then I will reduce the size a little. Place it right here. And then I will add like this. And this one, blur gradient shape. And then I will add an Eiffel cutout. I'll place it here. And then I will go to edit photo to change the color to this gray. Okay, I think it's enough. And then I will add a cloud element, reduce the size, duplicate, and reduce again. I will send it behind the Eiffel Tower. Okay, and then I will add this top view grass bus. Okay, like this. And then I will add board element, silhouette boards. Let's place it here. And then another boards element, flock of boards. I'll place it here. And then I will add a blue gradient and set it as background. I will click twice and increase the size like this. Okay, and then I will add white blur circle gradient. I will place it here and send it to back. Now I will select all and increase the size. So now we have it, 3D pop-out effect suitcase edition. See you next video and have fun with Canva.